Went and got a new rivet gun last night. This one is supposedly a one-handed rivet gun. Got my rivets just in case I need them. I did pick up some other materials to finish this job, and hopefully I'll finish the job tonight. Man, this thing looks good. Splitters just make it look like it is absolutely floored. Now that the splitters are mounted, it's time for the lights. These are puddle lights. They're pretty cool. I picked these up for like 15 bucks at AutoZone, so I've got a plan for them. I've actually had some of these before, and they look pretty tight on the car. So I want to show you guys how I like to install them. So this is how I like to do it. Basically, I'm going to install them from the top. I have a 1-inch hole saw. These are 1 inch exactly. So I'm going to lay them out, get them even from the back spacing to the back of the side skirt, front spacing to the front of the side skirt, and then I'm going to come in with my 1-inch hole saw, drill those holes out, and I'm going to silicone them down from the top so that they don't fall out. Alright, all the lights are in their new homes. They're sitting I'm going to set this side skirt on the car, throw a screw in it, and show you guys what it's going to look like. Everything looking extra saucy right now. I'm about to get into the wiring. Man, this is pimp. This is like way too cool. Whoo, buddy, that's the best $16 I have ever spent in my entire life. I'm gonna trim out the fiberglass on the rear bumper now. So come in here and basically just cut this square clean. And then I have a little tab I'm gonna mount on there to hold the turn signals. Same thing over here, just cut off all this excess cloth. Both turn signals are mounted. Everything is 100% covered in dust, including me. So I'm pretty much wrapped up here tonight. It's starting to get late and I have tomorrow off, so I'm just gonna go home, work on editing some videos, get cleaned up, eat some dinner, and get a fresh start tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys, because tomorrow's gonna be a lot of fun.